Have you ever wondered how red light therapy can help you feel better? And it penetrates deep into your tissue and stimulates mitochondria, the energy cell, and increases production of ATP. Some studies shows that it quadruples the energy level, which enhances the immune system and increases the blood flow in the area where the repair needs to happen. And very often the byproduct of the light, it can actually help with energy production in different cells of the body and increase your immune system overall. So you've got your red vibe, and now what? Red vibe light, you probably have at home slightly smaller version than this. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is just turn on, adjust the time on the side right here. We're going to turn it on, adjust the time and distance. For some patients, therapeutic time is about 7 to 10 minutes. So you set the time on your light, bring it closer to your body, especially for treating your TMJ or muscle soreness associated with TMJ joint, and you set yourself close, about 6 to 10 inches, and you can use the glasses, or you can, if you're comfortable, you don't have to use the glasses. There's no damage to your eyesight. With continuous red light therapy, you can actually see improvement in your sleep, in your energy level throughout the day, and I'm so excited you have it. If you have any questions, please give us a call.